Next, I want to show how you can use the calculator to find the standard deviation. And it's really in the same spot that a lot of our other information is, and that's the 1var stats. So inside the 1var stats, S is the sample standard deviation, and lowercase sigma is the population standard deviation. Find the mean, standard deviation, and variance for the following datasets. You may use the calculator. So number 5 is the population dataset, and it's the same data that we had in number 4. So we should get the same answers. So I've calculated the 1var stats, and the mean is 186.1, and for the standard deviation, it is the lowercase sigma. And I want to copy the entire decimal for right now. So I've recorded the mean of 186.1. For the standard deviation itself, I'm going to round it to 2 places. So 18.44. And then to get the variance, I want to square the standard deviation. But I want to square the unrounded version. And that will get us 340.09. So all 3 of these answers match the answers that we got for question 4. So using the calculator is definitely a lot faster.